Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami burger. And yeah, and it's a really quick and simple model I just designed recently. And it's pretty cool. And ready, set, here goes. So for this model, I'm going to use a 1/16 square of kami, but you could probably do it from a sheet or printer paper cut square, but you should at least use paper that's colored on one side and white on the other. You should at least use brown and white, but I'm going to use blue and white because, you know, the table's brown, so you can see it's better. Okay, so begin. I'm going to make a white burger with a blue patty. So patty side up, and let's fold in half. Okay, unfold. And fold not directly to the middle, but leave some space. So this is going to be half the thickness of the patty. So yeah, about like that is good. It's to taste. Alright, and repeat on this side. And you just match what you did here. Alright, and turn over. And fold this up. And this is also a judgment call. But maybe fold it up. There actually is a guide mark for this, you can fold it up. So this is a 2x1 rectangle, this blue part. But it's really to taste though. Alright, and repeat on this side. And you can match what you did up here. Alright, and now open the pocket and squash like this. And repeat that 3 more times. Alright, so here we have the burger taking shape. And you might like it like this, but I'm going to show you around the bun off more. So to do that, let's just fold this up. And, oh yeah, there's a guide mark for this. You can fold this up so this point touches this edge, and this point touches that point. Or you can do it to taste if you want. Doesn't really matter. Alright, and do that 3 more times. Alright, and you can fold these points in too to round it off a little bit more. And there is our completed burger. And yeah, it's that easy. And yeah, I really like it. Yep. So there it is. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and were able to. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.